So in this video, we're going to talk about arithmetic operations. So let's go ahead and we're going to make two double variables. So let's say double, and I'm just going to say n1 equals 10, and double n2 equals 3. Okay. So if you want to add these, we could just say double sum equals n1 plus n2. Okay. The difference would be n1 minus n2. So you use pretty much the same symbols you use in real life. Double result would equal n1 times n2. And for that, it's just the asterisk, so it's shift and the number 8. And then to divide, so the quotient would be n1, and then it's the forward slash is on the same key as the question mark. Okay. So we can go ahead and S out these. So we'll say sum. Let's run that. And you'll see that it says the sum is 13, okay? And we could run through all of these. Okay. And then I'm just going to go down to the quotient because that's somewhere we'll notice something a little bit different. So you'll notice that with this one, we actually got some extra precision after the decimal. Had we used integers instead of doubles, it would have just cut off at 3, okay? So it would just said 3, and that's it. And you can try that if you want. But we're going to talk about the last really operation that you may not be familiar with, and it's called modulus. So let's say int mod, I'll say int mod result equals n1, and then the percent symbol n2. And sorry, this needs to be a double because the two that we are modding are both doubles. So let's just say mod is, we'll say mod result. So let's go ahead and run this and I'll tell you what it does. So you'll see that it says mod is 1. And what it's doing is it's taking the second number, or the first number, and dividing it by the second, and then the remainder. So 3 goes into 10 3 times, but then there's still 1 left, okay? So it's kind of like, I'll write that in a comment over here. It's kind of like 3 times 3 equals 9, but 9 divided by 10, there's still 1 left out, okay? So that's mod for you, and that's going to be it for this video. Thanks, guys.